Hi there, and great to have your company on Kalkine TV. I'm Rose Jacobs and you're watching Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be looking at cancer-fighting ASX healthcare stocks, which include Immutep Limited, Kazia Therapeutics Limited, Noxopharm Limited and Pharmaxis Limited. Cancer affected more than 150,000 people and claimed over 49,000 deaths in the country in 2021. The highest cases were of breast cancer, followed by prostate cancer, while cases of uterine cancer were the lowest. The widespread growth of abnormal cells in the body is the primary cause of death from cancer. Excessive use of tobacco, alcohol and high body mass index are the significant causes of death due to cancer. Cancer-causing agents are known as carcinogens, which may be physical, chemical or biological. Treatment for this life-threatening disease can include chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery and current immunotherapy. Several programs are administered by Cancer Australia, including grants, support for cancer research, clinical trials and cancer support networks to help cancer patients get easy access to medical assistance. Now, we've jotted down 4 healthcare stocks from the Australian Securities Exchange that are involved in research, products and services related to cancer. First up, Immutep is a global biotechnology company specialising in developing immunotherapeutic products for curing cancer and autoimmune disease. The company's principal product is a soluble protein explored in cancer and infectious disease. On the 11th of February, Immutep received a patent for its therapeutic preparations, eftilagimod alpha, along with an anti-PD-1 or anti-PD-L1 antibody. The name of the patent was Combined Preparations for the Treatment of Cancer or Infection. As of 31st of December 21, the company recorded a cash and cash equivalent balance of Australian $99.66 million. Next is Kazia Therapeutics. It's a drug development company focused on oncology. The company's essential program is paxa-lisib, which is being developed to treat glioblastoma, the most common and most destructive form of primary brain cancer in adults. On the 3rd of December 2021, Kazia announced positive top-line final data from a phase 2 study of paxa-lisib in patients with newly diagnosed glioblastoma. At the end of the December quarter, Kazia Therapeutics reported cash and cash equivalents of $15.2 million. Then there's Noxopharm. It's a clinical stage drug development company focused on treating cancer. Its first pipeline drug candidate is Vyonda, presently in phase 2 clinical trials. The ASX player is the major shareholder of US biotech company Nirada. In December 2021, Noxopharm finalised the enrolment of the first dose cohort of patients in its DART-2 phase 2 clinical trial. DART, direct and abscopal response to radiotherapy, is investigational immunotherapy for curing cancer. This therapy aims to activate an immune response in a single tumour, which dissolves the rest of the tumour in the body without receiving any radiation. Noxopharm reported a financial position of $22.6 million at the end of December quarter. And lastly, Pharmaxis is a clinical stage drug development company based in Australia. The company is focused on inflammation and fibrosis, including some cancers, and has a range of products at various stages of development and approval. Bronchitol and Aridol of Pharmaxis are marketed and sold in numerous countries globally. Revenue from sales for the half year ended 31st of December 21 was $5.8 million, in which Bronchitol contributed $4.9 million and Aridol contributed $0.9 million. In the same quarter, Pharmaxis spent $2.2 million in clinical trials and $1.3 million in drug development. Cash and cash deposits at the end of the half year were reported at $20.9 million. And that's it for now. We'll be back soon with more shows to share the latest market insights with you. Until then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy related hot trends. I'm Rose Jacobs. Thank you for joining me.